Good morning, everybody, and thanks for coming to join us for our craft. We're so excited to get to hang out with you. Miss Mylee here and Miss Allie. Miss Allie is going to walk you through our wonderful rainbow craft. So let's begin.
So in your bag, you have your instructions, your popsicle stick, your paper plate, and all the streamers that you will need for this craft. So when you first open your bag, you want to take out all your stuff and lay them nice and flat so you can see everything. Let's do that. So then the first thing you want to do is flip over your paper plate. Miss Mylee is doing the shiny side for hers, and I'm going to be doing the more flat side, matte side. So you just want to take off your streamers off the glue dots very carefully so they don't tear. And then just place them in the Roy G. Biv order, or the colors in the rainbow. Or if you guys want to have more fun with it, you can place them in any order that you would like.
I'm going to start with purple, and Miss Allie's going to start with red.
So just stick it on, just like that, and just keep going with it. The tie-dye training. You want to kind of press a little bit hard to make sure your streamers do not fall off. And don't forget, you guys, tomorrow we do have teen night coming up tomorrow. So this is actually going to be held at the pavilion now instead of the pool. So if you are between the ages of 13 and 17 and would like to come down for some games, some music, and just a whole bunch of fun, just meet us there from 7 to 10. Yes. 7 to 9. Woo. Miss Mylee's already done hers. So then once you have all of your streamers onto your paper plate, you want to take your popsicle sticks. Each one of the popsicle sticks have a white piece of paper that's actually covering up an adhesive. So you just want to take off that white piece and just stick it on whatever side you put the streamers on, this way. It hides it, and now you have a cute little rainbow craft that you can hold.
Sort of looks like rainbow jellyfish.
Kind of. Well, don't forget, you guys, that once you finish this craft, tag us on social media. This way we can see all of your amazing rainbow crafts and see how you guys did. Bye, you guys.